Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Awesome Codings. I'm Single, welcoming you to my channel here. Back with a new video in the J.A.R.V.I.S series. So let's start with it. In this video, we are going to code a YouTube function which will search the query on YouTube for us. So let's start with the code. Before that guys, if you haven't accessed our series on the J.A.R.V.I.S in Python, access this now, save it anywhere, and the link is in description. Let's start the code. Here I am back in my Visual Studio Code. So before the code we have to correct this as it will make a problem here. Remove this and here open YouTube equals to query, then open youtube.com or else, and then here elif search in YouTube query, search in query and YouTube in query, then firstly query is equals to query dot replace search from empty string, then query is equals to query dot replace on YouTube from empty string, not running this. Now query is equals to query dot replace YouTube from empty string. Yeah, now we have to get the link of the YouTube for any search. So let's come to our browser window. Now guys, as you can see, I'm on my YouTube homepage. Now search here string test or test string, anything, and then copy this URL, copy this. Now come back to our VS Code. Yeah, I'm in my VS Code. So now here string, make a variable string equals to query dot split, which will make a list of all the keywords of query, and then for make a new variable here, search equals to empty string. Now for I in string, search is equals to, actually search plus is equals to I, and search is plus is equals to plus in string. Now this is the code. Now here after the loop, web browser dot open f string and the link we have copied, and then remove string plus test from here, and in curly braces here search. Now it will work. Let's check if it is working. Run the code here.
Good evening. I am J.A.R.V.I.S made by Mr. Single. How may I help you?
Search Awesome Codings on YouTube. As you can see guys, it searched Awesome Codings on YouTube for me. Here it is. This is my channel. So this was the search on YouTube function for my J.A.R.V.I.S. Hope you liked it. There are many functions also. I will teach you in upcoming videos. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe my channel and comment down. Thank you.